Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Java casting can be tricky, but we will solve this code segment in seconds. Let's find out exactly what prints when we run this logic. First, calculate x by casting each double to an integer. 5.75 becomes 5 and 2.75 becomes 2, giving a total of 7. Next, find y by adding the doubles before casting. Adding 5.75 and 2.75 gives 8.5, which truncates to exactly 8. Finally, combine x and y into one string. Since x is 7 and y is 8, the output is 7 space 8. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush on parentheses. Trust the given order of operations for casting.